As the world continues to battle the coronavirus pandemic that has killed more than 18,000 people worldwide and infected over 4 lakh people. Italy is the worst hit in the world after China, which was earlier the epicenter of the outbreak but is now limping back to normalcy. Italy reported its second deadliest day of the coronavirus outbreak, dashing hopes the death toll is declining in the country where hospitals are flooded with patients and government is struggling to bring the crisis under control. Deaths on Tuesday rose again to 743 after falling in each of the last 2 days. Confirmed cases in the country now total 69,176. Giving some hope to the country, the latest data showed active cases rose the least in nearly a week, a possible early indication that the severe restriction of movement in the country is slowing down the spread of the virus. As the cases are accelerating at a very fast pace, the World Health Organization has warned the United States could become the global epicenter of the coronavirus pandemic very soon. The number of coronavirus cases in the United States jumped by nearly 10,000, while about 150 Americans died in a day, taking the death toll past 700. With millions of Americans under a lockdown, the National Guard as well as the armed forces were pressed into service in several states such as New York, which saw at least 53 deaths and about 5,000 new cases on Tuesday. New York has so far reported more than 25,000 COVID-19 cases and 210 fatalities. The cases in Spain have also reached almost 40,000 cases, while in Germany the infections have soared past 30,000. While in Iran, more than 1,900 people have died so far and more than 27,000 cases have been reported. Meanwhile, China has been able to contain any further spread of the virus. Official sources say that the lockdown in Wuhan, the Chinese city where the global coronavirus outbreak began, will be partially lifted on 8th of April, while the travel restrictions in the rest of the Hubei province, where Wuhan is located, have been lifted from midnight on Tuesday for residents who are healthy. A single new case of the virus was reported in Wuhan on Tuesday, following almost a week of no reported new cases. Now all hope pinned onto the cure for this deadly pandemic. Till then, countries face lockdown to combat any further spread.